You know what's better than making money? Making money while you sleep. Let's dive into the 5 biggest benefits of AI in affiliate marketing. Discuss how AI can analyze data, create content, optimize marketing, automate customer service, and more. All right, let's dive into some actionable steps you can take to elevate your affiliate marketing game with AI. First, use AI to automate repetitive marketing tasks. This will save you time and allow you to focus on more strategic aspects of your campaign. Next, implement AI tools to enhance your affiliate campaigns. These tools can provide insights and optimizations that are simply beyond human capability. Also, make sure to track data to optimize your strategy. Data-driven decisions are crucial for long-term success. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment with AI-generated content. It can provide unique and engaging material for your audience. Want to put these strategies into action? Click the link below to get started with AI Partner Profit and watch your affiliate marketing take off.